Good morning, students. Today start the concept sheet of fraction. Fraction की concept sheet. Okay. Now your first question is: if a mixed fraction is converted into fraction, then its reciprocal is proper, improper, equal, none of these. So answer is proper fraction. Answer is proper fraction. Next solution in the question is reciprocal of 1 whole number 3 by 4. A 1 whole number 4 by 3, 4 whole number 1 upon 3, 3 whole number 1 upon 4, or none of these. Reciprocal 1 whole number 3 by 4 is 1 right, 4 by 3, 4 right, 1 by 3, 3 right, 1 by 4, or none of these. Now 1 whole number 3 by 4 is 7 by 4. Now reciprocal is 4 by 7. So answer D is none of these. Now 20 by 3 liter milk is being distributed among 10 person. How much milk would one person get? 2 by 3 liter, 1 by 3 liter, 4 by 3 liter, or 2 by 3 liter. Now one person get milk. 20 by 3 is divided by 10, or 20 by 3 multiply 1 by 10, 0 0 cancel, 2 by 3 liter. One person get a milk is equal to 2 by 3 liter. Question 4. 474 surgeons were invited for a conference, and 5 by 6 of those invited actually participated in. The number of participants was. Now invited participants 474 into 5 by 6. 6 cancel out. Now 79. 79 into 5 equal to 395. Answer is 395. Question 5. The number of month is 3/5 of a century. Now the number of months 3/5 into century means 100 year, and 1 year is 12 month. So 100 multiplied by 12. Now cancel out and multiply. The answer is 720. Option C, 720. Now question number 6. Arrange in ascending order: 3 by 4, 2 by 3, 1 by 2, 5 by 6, and 7 by 8. Now divided 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. Again 2 divided, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Again divided, 2 1 ja 2. Now divided by 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. Now multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 3 ja 24. Now write down the 24 in each of the denominator. Now 4 6 multiplied by 3, 18. 3 8 ja, now 8 multiplied by 2, 16. 12 2 24. Now 12 multiplied by 1. 6 4 24. Now 4 multiplied by 5. 8 3 24. Now 3 multiplied by 7. So result is 18 by 24, 16 by 24, 24 by 24. Now 20 by 24. Now 21 by 24. Now arrange in the ascending order. Arrange in the ascending order: 12, 16, 18, 20, 21. Now write in the original form: 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 5 by 6, and 7 by 8. Question number 7. Simplify. 1 upon 12 plus 5 by 12 plus 7 by 12. Taking the LCM is equal to 12. Now write 1 plus 5 plus 7. 7 plus 5 12. 12 plus 1 13 upon 12. Write 1 by whole number 1 upon 12. Answer. Next part 2 a whole 1 a whole number 1 upon 2 plus 2 a whole number 1 upon 3 plus 6 a whole number 6 by 15. Now 2 and 2 3 by 2. 3 2 are 6 1 7 by 3. Now 2 3 15 LCM is 30. 2 15 ja. Now 15 3 ja multiply 45. 3 10 ja. Now 10 multiply by 7. 15 2 ja. Now 2 multiply by 6. Now 45 plus 70 plus 12 equal to 127 upon 30 is the answer. C part. 2 a whole number 1 upon 3 plus 3 a whole number 1 upon 2 minus 1 a whole number 1 upon 4. Now 3 2 are 6 17 by 3. 3 2 are 6 17 by 2 minus 5 by 4. LCM of 3, 2 and 4 is 12. Now 3 4 are 12. Now 4 multiply by 7. 6 multiply by 7. Now 5 multiply by 3 because 4 3 are 12. Now 28 plus 42 minus 15 is equal to 70 minus 15 equal to 55.12. 55.12 is the answer. D part. 5 by 7 minus 8 by 35. Now LCM of 7 and 35 is 35. 7 5 ja 35. Now 5 multiply by the numerator. 5 5 ja 25 minus 8 is equal to 17 upon 35 is the answer. Two a whole number 1 upon 3 plus 3 a whole number 1 upon 2. Part F. 2 a whole number 1 upon 2, 3 a whole number 1 upon 4. 2 to the 4 5 by 2 into 13 by 4. 13 5 the 65, 2 4 the 8. Now answer is 65 upon 8. 10 into 4 a whole number 1 upon 4. 4 4 the 16 1 17 upon 4. 2 2 the 4 2 5 the 10 17 5 the 85 upon 2. 5 by 9 into 5 by 8. 5 5 ja 25, 9 8 ja 72 is the answer. 1/8 of rupees 756. 1/8 of rupees is 756. 1/8 multiplied by 756. Now 4 2 ja 8 and divided by 756 189. 189 upon 2 equal to 94.5 is the answer. 3/5 of 3/5 of 62 whole number 1 upon 2. Now 62 multiply 1 into 125.2. 125.2. Now 5 से cancel. Now 25. 25 3 is 75.2 is the answer. Now K part. 5 by 8 divided by 2 by 3. Now multiply 3 by 2. 5 3 15. 8 2 is 16. 15 upon 16 is the answer. 11 upon 13 divided by 22. Now multiply sign here 1 upon 22. 11 2 is 22. Now 1 upon 26. 1 upon 26. 13 2 is 26. 6 a whole number 1 upon 4 divided by 2 a whole number 1 upon 4. 24 upon 25 upon 4 and divide by 9 by 4. Multiply 4 by 9. 4 4 cancel. 25 by 9 is the answer. 100 divided by 10 by 7. Now 100 multiplied by 7 by 10. 0 0 cancel. Answer 10 7 is 70. Next question. Question number 8. Sunita bought a 10 kg box of grapes from the market. She gave 3.5 kg of the grape to her friend Punita and 2 a whole 1 upon 4 to Anita. How many kg of grapes were left. Now grapes left 10 minus 3 a whole 1 upon 2 minus 2 a whole 1 upon 4. Now 3 a whole 1 upon 2 is 7 by 2, 2 a whole 1 upon 4 is 9 by 4. LCM is 4, 10 4 is 4, 40, 7 2 is 14. 40 minus 14 minus 9 is equal to 17. Is 17 upon 4, 4 a whole number 1 upon 4 kg is the answer. Next question. Anita jogs 1.5 kilometer in 1 hour. How many kilometer can she cover in 2.5 hour? Anita jogs 2.5 hour equal to 1 into half 2.5. 3 by 2 into 5 by 2. 5 3 of 15 upon 4 kilometer. 15 upon 4 kilometer, right? 3 a whole number 3 by 4 kilometer. Question 12. If 12 identical box kept together weight 6 a whole 1 upon 3 kg, what is the weight of each box? Now divide by 12. 6 a whole 1 upon 3 divided by 12. 6 3 18, 19 by 3 divided by 12, multiply 1 by 12, 19 1 is 19, 12 6 36, 19 upon 36 kg is the answer. Okay children, this video is over.